Mrs. Lona Aisoko, to our ever-dynamic school principal, Mrs. Faye M. Baladhay, to our barangay council, headed by Honorable Antonito S.P. Pinto, to our loving kindergarten advisor, teacher, supported parents, fellow learners, guests, a pleasant morning to all of you. It is a great pride and utmost joy to welcome you all to our morning out ceremony. Today, you're gonna witness the sweet moment that we will reap the fruit of our hard work. With the help of loving and patient teachers, we are happy for this first big milestone in our young life. Once again, on behalf of Kindergarten Class 2024-2025, I welcome you all to our moving out ceremony. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Denise, for that heartfelt